How to change row height in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. Now click on triangle option at the top left corner of your screen to select your sheet. After you've done that, on the left side you'll find numbers. In between numbers, take your mouse and drag it downwards. Drag it downwards if you want to increase the size, but if you want to decrease, drag it upwards and the cell will be small. And this is how to change row height in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.